Take papaya pulp and put some turmeric in it and mix well. You can store it in ice cube, putting in freezer for 1 month. I'm smashing this freezed pulp and I'll put it all over my face. Put over the areas where hair growth is more and thick. Put minimum 15 minutes or till it dries and rub it slowly and wash your face. Now take any moisturizer and put it on your face. I am taking here aloe vera gel. I'll be using eye cream, so I am not putting this aloe vera gel on my eyes. Now for eyes, I am taking this homemade eye cream. If you want to know how I made this eye cream, so let me know, comment down below. Massage it gently as I am sewing here. If you want to know the results, do comment below and I will share with you after 1 to 2 months. Do let me know, guys. Now for lip hydration, I'm using this Vaseline. Thank you for watching, guys. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.